We have everything on one side of the equal sign, so that's good. We don't have a greatest common factor that we can divide out of everything, so we're just going to go straight into factoring the trinomial into two binomials. Now the second sign is a positive. That means the signs that you plug in here are going to be the same. Then we look at the first sign to tell what they're both going to be. So it's a negative and a negative. All right, from here, we need factors of the first term, 3x squared. That's just going to be 3x and 1x. And then we need factors of the third term, 3, that's just 3 and 1. So those are the only options we have here. And so now we're going to connect the factors together and create two sets of products. Now those products need to have a sum of 10. The reason they need to have a sum is because the signs are the same. Same signs means a sum, and we want a sum of 10. Well, if we take 3 times 3, that's 9x. When we take x times 1, that's 1x. That has a sum of 10. So we know what to link together. So let's put the 3 and the 1 in this spot. It doesn't really matter where we put them because the signs are the same. Now, it does matter where we put the 3x and the 1x because 3 is getting multiplied with 3x. And if we have the 3 here, then 3x has to be here with the 1. And then the 1x is going to be here. And now if we want to check to make sure that everything is right, we can just take x times x, or x times 3x, which is 3x squared. X times negative 1 is negative x. That's negative 9x. And negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. And this gives us 3x squared minus 10x plus 3. And if you look, that's the same thing that we have up here. So we know that we've done this correctly. It is factored. Now, set this equal to 0. And what we're going to do, we're going to take each one of these two expressions and set it equal to 0 and solve. So starting with x minus 3, set that equal to 0. Add 3. X equals 3. That's one solution. Take 3x minus 1. Set that equal to 0. Add 1. 3x equals positive 1. Then we divide by 3. 3's cancel, and x equals 1/3. So your two solutions, x equals 3, and x equals 1/3.